back to normal, guys. Been playing with steam toys, but this one never lets me down. This is a lovely model, this one. My OKMO B01. No movement in there, look. This little one here, you can just see it. Can't keep my hand still enough for you to see it. See that? Just moving. I put a little tiny bit of red paint on there, on that screw, so I know my optimal setting. And I only ever moved out a fraction from there to the top, just a fraction. Never touch it. Starts up. I've never used a drill or anything, or even a cord. 1 or 2 turns, and this one fires up every single time. It's one of my most reliable machines. And what do I like about these? Well, as opposed to this lot, I don't have to wait for steam. I don't have to fill it with water. I don't have to wait for the pressure. I don't have to look for leaks. I don't have to worry about condensation getting everywhere and steam oil. I just put the fuel in there. Put some oil in there. Them 2 little oilers down the bottom. There's 2 little oiler either side of the crank, and this one that needs opening. I'll open that and I'll watch that go down a fraction, and when it goes down I'll close it again. You can see it's going down. That'll do. Not too much in there. But yeah, I have to clamp it down to the bench. What it wants is me to make a stand with a weight in there. It jumps about, but these 2 little bench clamps, they're enough. I've got the other fuel tank with the motive on, but I'm struggling to get in there. I know I'd get that off, but that screw, that nut right in the back there, I'm quite sure I'll get it off, but you know what them sort of things are like to get back on. You're going to be there for ages. The other side's alright, it's easy accessible. This one is a bit difficult, so even though I've got the other fuel tank, I've decided to, the motto is, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And I haven't had to fix this at all. Not at all. I bought it brand new. It wasn't sent to me for a review or anything like that. Bought it brand new. Waited a few weeks. When it arrived, it's ran like this every single time I've had it. I've watched the YouTube channel, was the same as everyone else, and I took note. A little bit of oil on that hit and miss mechanism, just to loosen it up. And there's a nut there, a little nut in there. I just loosened that, so the hit and miss mechanism is a bit freer. Look at that, hasn't missed a beat. Hasn't missed a beat. Lovely model. And another thing, for me, this fuel tank, I get that as full as I can get it. I've noticed sometimes when it's not, not running properly, it's because the fuel is low. I put the fuel in, runs lovely. So yeah, beautiful model, definitely a keeper. And sometimes if I've had a problem, you've got them machines and sometimes you can spend hours on them and it's still not right. On a day like that, I have to get one down that I know is going to run. I can leave the workshop, go back in the house, feeling satisfied. And this is one of the ones I get down because it runs like that. I know it's going to. I enjoy watching them. It's a beautiful model. Anyway, that's my little OKMO run for today. But I hope you like it, guys. There's plenty more coming on the channel. German, Chinese, all sorts. American. I've got them British ones. I've got models from all around the world. I'm running them all the time. And I hope you like this one for today. Cheers, guys.